Here is blue painter's tape that I put down to mark the center line for the two brackets for the crotch belts in the 2022 Camaro. I've done the measurements. It's approximately 12 inches in from the black sill and 2 inches behind the inner edge of the tape. Now, one thing I found is that there is an under panel that I believe needs to be removed. And let me see, get a focus here. Looks like a black fiberboard panel, and looks like it's quite large, and it looks like that needs to be removed so that I can correctly drill holes for the belt brackets underneath the front seats. Looks like quite extensive, so I'll have to take my time, document where everything goes, and hopefully the whole underside doesn't fall apart when I do that. And there's one on the passenger side also. I couldn't find anything online that talks about the structure, mainly because I don't know what it's called, and so it's pretty hard to do a search, computer search, when you don't know what its proper name is. So I'll just take care in removing and saving the bolts. Here's the underside of that fiberboard panel. And here's my center line for the two eye bolts. And I believe that it will end up being one on this side of this support and then one on the other side of the support. So it looks like it's all clear. Let me get my finger here. Okay. On this side of the support and this side of the support. The eye bolts are approximately 9 inches apart. The recommendation is 6 to 12. I did 9. Happy in between. So I will drill some holes and see what happens. Eye bolt on the right is too short to go through all the padding and the floor pan, so I'm going to use the eye bolt on the left. Here are the two anchors on the passenger side. Tightened up. And here's the two on the driver's side, tightened down. And all this is going to be hidden when the fiberboard panels are screwed back on, so it will still look factory fresh. Got a little crazy with the drill here. I have to patch that with some foil. Here are the two sets of crotch belt anchors installed in my 2022 Camaro. And I'm getting ready to install the 6-point belts now. They will be secured with safety wire at all 6 points. Here is a completed installation of my 6-point Crow racing harness, and wrap around to the harness bar. I still need to adjust the length of the anti-submarine belts, but that's a minor thing. And it was difficult to kind of cramp quarters, but got safety wire in all of the clips. So we should pass Silver State inspection.